A massive move shocked the Shiba Inu community today. Bitcoin is finally losing attention. We are not seeing daily new all-time highs today for Bitcoin, and this is a super bullish signal for the altcoin space. Shiba Inu whales are acting like crazy now. A massive surge of Shiba Inu has been recorded in daily net flow, marking almost 7,100% increase in just a few hours. And this is despite yesterday's continuous price crash. This spread like wildfire and made everyone really excited. However, you might be wondering, why is all of this happening? And what does have it do with Blackrock? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today is a super exciting day for Shiba Inu. There's been some surprising movement in the market, with Shiba Inu's net flow spiking by a whopping 7,100%. On top of that, the price saw a little bump too, which is always a good sign. For some context, Shiba Inu had a bit of a rough patch recently, dropping to a critical support level yesterday when it hit a floor price. But the good news is, it bounced back pretty quickly, managing to gain a nice little 4.5% in a single day and holding strong above that key support. But here's the interesting part. Despite the market struggles, the big players, those whales who hold a significant portion of Shiba Inu, are still pretty confident. In fact, they've been buying up Shiba Inu in large amounts since earlier this month. Just yesterday, these whales saw an 800 billion inflow of Shiba Inu, worth over $17 million. It's the highest we've seen in the past 11 days, which is a pretty positive sign in the middle of all this volatility. This big move has definitely made a lot of noise and got the community buzzing with excitement. It's a huge deal because it shows that demand, especially from those whales, is still strong. Even with the market struggling and slow movements yesterday, this is a much-needed sign of relief. The fact that big players are still interested, despite the ongoing downturn, speaks volumes about their confidence in Shiba Inu's future. Because yesterday, as we all know, things got a bit more complicated. On-chain data pointed to some major concerns that could shape the asset's future. With the market still in a bearish mood, there's a huge 67 trillion Shiba Inu support level that's got at risk. But here's the thing. Despite all of this, the fact that there's still strong demand from whales right now makes this move a game changer for the Shiba Inu community. It shows that, even with all the challenges, the big players still believe in the potential of Shiba Inu, which gives hope for the future. But you might still be thinking, what's the deal here? Why aren't the price movements as dramatic and quick as they used to be? It's a bit of a head-scratcher, right? Things just feel different. Turns out it's not just Shiba Inu feeling the pressure. Bitcoin is also on the decline. According to a Twitter analyst, Bitcoin's price has been dropping steadily and has just reached a critical support level. This is a big deal because support levels are like safety nets for prices. As we all know, historically, Bitcoin and Shiba Inu tend to move in sync. When Bitcoin's price drops, Shiba Inu usually follows suit. So, with Bitcoin struggling and hitting that critical support, it's no surprise that we're seeing slow movements in Shiba Inu too. It's almost like they're tied together, riding the same wave. That's why, even though there's still some demand from whales, we're not seeing those big price swings we saw before. Shiba Inu is basically following Bitcoin's lead, moving more cautiously as the whole market stays in this downtrend. However, according to the same Twitter analyst, there's some good news on the horizon. The chart is slowly recovering, and it's starting to lean towards a potential bounce back. He suggests that this could signal the upcoming start of an altcoin season, where coins like Shiba Inu might start picking up momentum again. Looking at the charts, he noticed signs of a shift. Things are stabilizing and showing some positive movement, which could mean altcoins are primed for a comeback. It's still early, but this recovery could give the market, including Shiba Inu, a much-needed boost if it continues. It's like the calm before the storm, where everything could suddenly turn around and bring back that excitement we've been missing. And this might actually be true, because the numbers are showing something interesting. According to reports, there's been a huge inflow of Ethereum, which could be a sign that people are starting to shift their focus from Bitcoin toward altcoins. One Twitter analyst pointed out a major move. Yesterday, there were over $130 million in Ethereum ETF inflows. Meanwhile, Bitcoin saw outflows of over $226 million. That's a pretty big difference, and it hints that big players are starting to bet on altcoins rather than Bitcoin right now. This is huge because Bitcoin has been dominating recently, constantly reaching new all-time highs and keeping the spotlight on it. Altcoins, on the other hand, have been struggling to keep up with the pace. But now, with this shift in focus, things could be changing. People are starting to look beyond Bitcoin, and that's actually a healthy move for the overall crypto market. When Bitcoin gets all the attention, it can sometimes overshadow the potential of altcoins. But with more focus shifting to altcoins, it could bring a new wave of growth and innovation across the entire space. This kind of balance with both Bitcoin and altcoins thriving is what could help the crypto market mature and become more diversified in the long run. This shift in the market makes a lot of sense, especially when you consider what the analysts said. With all the movement towards Ethereum and other altcoins, it looks like big institutions are positioning themselves for an altcoin season. Speaking of big institutions, this shift towards altcoins has even caught the attention of big players like Blackrock. Just today, it was revealed in a Twitter post that Blackrock purchased a massive $89.5 million worth of Ethereum. This is great news for Shiba Inu, even though its price has been struggling recently. With big institutions like Blackrock investing heavily in Ethereum, it could spark excitement in the altcoin space, including Shiba Inu. When Ethereum gets more attention and starts to rise, it often lifts other altcoins along with it. So, even though Shiba Inu is dealing with a price decline right now, this kind of institutional investment shows that there's still a lot of potential for growth. For the Shiba Inu community, seeing huge players like BlackRock backing Ethereum is a huge sign of confidence. It means the altcoin market could be gearing up for a major rally, and Shiba Inu could be part of that wave. It's like a spark that could light the fire for other coins, and Shiba Inu could be one of the big winners as this altcoin season gets underway. So going back, this price decline might feel a bit unsettling, but it's actually something not to worry about too much. When markets dip like this, it can be easy to get nervous. But for many investors, especially whales, it's seen as an opportunity to buy more. Big players know that market cycles come with ups and downs, and these downturns are often when they can scoop up assets at a lower price before the next rally. In fact, whales have been doing exactly that, buying up Shiba Inu in large amounts even while the price is down. These large players are not backing away. They're seizing the chance to load up on more Shiba Inu while the price is low. This kind of behavior shows that the whales still have confidence in Shiba Inu's future, even with the market struggling. So yes, we really shouldn't get caught up in the negativity around us. It's easy to let the doubts of others affect our mindset, but now is the time to stay positive and keep our faith in Shiba Inu. Especially with the holiday season here, it's the perfect time to focus on what makes us happy and remember why we're part of the Shiba Inu community. Just like how Lucy, a well-known member of the Shiba Inu team, reminded us of this in a tweet she posted for Christmas Eve. She said, "Merry Christmas Eve, Shiba Inu Army. Spend this special time with those you love, and make sure whatever you do brings you happiness." Her message really hits home, especially now. The holiday season is about celebrating with the people we care about and finding joy in the little things. Just like Lucy said, let's keep our spirits high, enjoy the season, and stay optimistic about the future of Shiba Inu. Even when the market seems uncertain, the Shiba Inu community is all about staying united and believing in what's ahead. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.